Göbekli Tepe. Predating Stonehenge by 6,000 years, the temple of Göbekli Tepe was unearthed in the Middle East, said to be built around the time at the end of the last Ice Age, about 12,000 years ago. Discovered by a renowned German archaeologist in 1995, there are some 20-odd stones arranged in a circle, but there are many more stones to be found. Apparently, they have tracked 90,000 square feet of more Göbekli Tepe. This means that there are 20 football fields still to be discovered. It is more sophisticated than Stonehenge or the Seven Wonders of the World. How was this great monument built? Why was it not destroyed by earthquake or by flood? You would first need multiple amounts of masons, quarrymen, workers, and an architect. Who were the builders of this strange temple? There are carvings on each stone of spiders, serpents, jaguars, and one carved boar. The temple represents these animals, but nobody knows why it was built. It was built in the pre-farm age, about 12,000 years ago, maybe 13, by primitive humans. These primitive humans must have met some kind of new force in their lives. Maybe it is because they have changed to manufacturing grain from the fields. Nobody knows. Anyway, when the farmers came, because of the change of lifestyle, they buried it underground again. This is the story of Göbekli Tepe, the pot-bellied hill.